Three letters we heard often today, DNA. Today, an expert with the State Crime Lab testified about DNA, and Jeanette Levy has that story.
DNA analyst Sherry Colhane told the jury that DNA is found in every bodily fluid, such as blood, skin cells, saliva, and semen.
Some individuals slough off or shed more cells than other individuals. So in the process of touching things, you're, in some instances, leaving your DNA behind.
Colhane said 6 bloodstains in Teresa Halbach's SUV contained Stephen Avery's DNA. A bloodstain in the rear cargo area of the car was consistent with the profile she developed from a Pepsi can found in the car and from Halbach's pap smear slides. She said Teresa Halbach's car key contained Avery's DNA.
I put the key into the ignition and turned the ignition. It did turn the ignition, but it did not crank the car. And I later learned that that was because I believe the battery had been disconnected.
Last March, Colhane conducted further testing on the RAV4.
The profile from the hood latch matches Stephen Avery.
That's correct.
Colhane also tested a bullet fragment last March found in Avery's garage.
I believe she is the source of the DNA on the bullet.
Colhane said she cleans her workstation several times per day to prevent contamination, but when testing the bullet, Colhane said she noticed her own DNA got into the mix.
Were there any other profiles developed on the bullet besides Teresa Halbach's?
No.
Sherry Colhane returns to the stand on Monday morning for cross-examination. Chris?
And Tammy Colhane testified that Avery's DNA profile, get this, occurs once in every 4 quintillion people. Ironically, she also conducted the same DNA testing that got Stephen Avery out of prison on rape charges back in 2003.
All right, thanks. Chris Schuler live in Chilton tonight. Now, Chris and Anjanette are keeping a courtroom journal, which you can read online. Go to our website, WFRV.com/Avery. We also have extended trial coverage.